How to use Amazon buy now and pay later. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can use Amazon's buy now pay later, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use buy now pay later, first of all you have to register for buy now pay later, and to do this what you need to do is basically open your browser, and then I'll make sure to drop a direct link where you can register for Amazon pay later services. Right over here you will be able to see all of these options over here as to what kind of products you can buy with EMI, with no cost EMI, of course no interest rate. That means, which means you can shop on Amazon right away, but you can choose to pay later within 3 to 6 months or anything as such based on the details. And this is basically a new hassle-free service that Amazon has basically launched so that users who wants to buy services on EMI, of course if the company allows it for their products, then you will be able to buy it and pay later using the EMI services on Amazon. And of course there are also some type of eligibility criteria that you can use for Amazon pay later services, and that is that you need to have an Amazon.in account. So far I'm pretty sure it's working on India, but I'm not sure about other reasons, so which means that you need to have an Amazon.in account with a verified mobile number, a valid permanent account number, or also known as your PAN ID, your card, your bank account with one of the selected banks from Amazon, and of course one of the officially valid documents of address as proof, such as your driving license, voter ID, Aadhaar card, utility bills, which should not be more than older than 60 days of course, and you must also be 23 or above 23 years of age to be able to apply for Amazon pay later. And these are some of the eligibility criteria. Once you've done this, if any product is eligible for EMI, which means from the official store, during the checkout process you'll most likely be able to find the buy now pay later with no cost EMI options as well. So hope this video helped you guys, and of course for the registration process I'm going to leave this link in the description box below. You can go ahead and check that link out, and then you can go ahead and then use the buy now pay later services on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful, and if you have any questions of course feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.